My class to well, from now to primary 6, I will support him on that.
Bella Shramuda is one of a kind with a good and a caring heart. He has given scholarship to a young boy seen in a viral video vibing to his song featuring Olamide titled Triumphant. Fine boy Bella has took to his feet to locate a small boy vibing to his song, and he promised to cater for the young boy education till he reaches primary 6 of his educational life. This is actually a very good energy coming from Bella Shramuda.
My class to well, from now to primary 6, I will support him on that. God bless him for me. As I see, I'm a joy for me. And I'm way to know if as a kid. So, mommy, no one so go see problem. I'm a connect to the school, any school, any FFC to my job. They are my money every day because they don't touch you that. You must be with him, you must monitor him. Because he has.
Ó pọ̀sẹ̀ jẹ́ kó mọ̀ bẹ́là.